Tell me why it literally started drizzling as soon as I came out here to do a garden update. Guess we're doing it in the rain. Let's start with my peppers and basil as usual. I need to come out here and harvest some basil. I'll show you guys how I do that. Because yeah, it's starting to flower in a lot of areas. I cannot get over how quickly the peppers grow, considering how they were like this big when I planted them. We have a jalapeno. We have some purple bell peppers. We have a lot of Chinese 5 peppers coming in upside down, so love that for them. As far as for my seedlings, we have some sprouting. We have red cherry. I think this is a New Yorker. Yeah, just red cherry, New Yorker, and carbon. I'm waiting on the black cherry. Those are the ones I'm really excited for. You want to know how to test if you have favorites in the garden once things start sprouting? Which ones are you sad that aren't sprouting? Because I'm sad that the black cherry ones aren't sprouting, and that tells me I really am rooting for them. Remember how I was saying that I was unsure if we were getting any new growth in the blackberry bush? We are. This is new. Dog hair, nice. I actually harvested a few blackberries already. It was just a few that were ready. So I love that. My violas look dead, but they're not. They're just thirsty. My black-eyed Susans are so pretty. Still growing a lot. My dahlias were really close to one blooming. I'm anxious to see what it's going to look like. A lot of the plants are actually getting, it looks like diseased back there. Actually a lot of my garden looks diseased, but we'll get to that. My 5-foot tall cosmos are getting out of hand. We have this pink one coming in. We have that like dark purple one. We have a bunch of white ones. We get a few that have like the pink tint on them. I love those. I just can't get over how tall they've gotten. My zinnias. You know what I learned is I thought one plant, like one seed, would equal red flowers. For example, taking this one. But when they start shooting out little zinnias out of the sides, these can be a completely different color. So I don't understand how that works, but that was a trip when I found that out. We harvested one zucchini already. It looks like there's another one coming in over there. My cucumbers don't look good. They're not looking good. Lots of flowers, but I'm not seeing any fruit yet, like anywhere. So that's kind of worrisome. Maybe it's just too early, but like I see no sign of fruit.